Last video, we exposed why modern washing machines are designed to fail. So today we answer the only question that matters. What should you actually buy instead? This is the Forever Washing Machine list. These are the specific machines that repair technicians, laundromat operators, and commercial buyers actually put in their own homes. They are not cheap. They are not flashy, but they share one thing in common. They are built to outlast the warranty by decades, not months. 3 machines. Every budget tier covered. Let's get into it. Number 1. The American Tank Speed Queen TC5. Speed Queen has been building washing machines in Ripon, Wisconsin since 1908. Their parent company, Alliance Laundry Systems, is the largest manufacturer of commercial laundry equipment in the world. When journalists toured the Ripon factory, what they found was steel everywhere. Nearly every metal component is fabricated in-house. The residential Speed Queen is built to the exact same standard as their commercial laundromat equipment. The only difference between the machine sitting in your neighborhood laundromat and the one you can buy for your house is the coin slot. The specific model you want is the TC5 top loader. It has a full-length mechanical agitator, a stainless steel tub, and a heavy-duty motor. No lid lock, no sensor weighing your laundry. It fills the tub all the way to the top. It is tested to 10,400 cycles, a 25-year lifespan in the average household. Consumer Reports named Speed Queen the most reliable appliance brand in 2023. While the 2023 data was the turning point, these machines are still the reigning kings in 2026. The TC5 carries a 5-year parts and labor warranty. The top-of-the-line TR7 carries a 7-year warranty coverage that reflects actual confidence in the product, not a marketing promise. Critics say it is loud. They are right. It was not engineered for silence. It was engineered for 25 years of continuous operation. Those are 2 different design goals. They produce 2 very different machines. While most washing machines last up to 11 years, the Speed Queen is tested to last 25. That is more than double the industry standard. If you can spend $1,000 on a washing machine once and never think about it again for the next quarter century, this is the machine. If you're tired of being lied to by appliance brands, hit the subscribe button. We're building a community of homeowners who value quality over gimmicks. Number 2, the German standard Miele W1 front loader. If Speed Queen is American iron, the Miele W1 is German precision. Miele's own engineering documentation specifies the testing process in exact detail. 5,000 wash cycles, run at 5 cycles per week across 50 weeks per year for 20 years. These tests are monitored by Miele employees. Results are recorded and evaluated. The machine is not approved for production until the results meet the specified criteria. That is not a marketing claim. That is a documented engineering standard. In a 2023 consumer survey tracking how long different brands take before their first major fault, Miele finished first among all brands, measured averaging 9.4 years before the first significant issue. Miele W1 machines are noted by technicians for stable bearings and quiet operation. Unlike most machines, Miele washers rarely fail suddenly. Issues develop slowly, giving you time to act before catastrophic damage occurs. And because these machines last so long, repairs that would be financially absurd on a 10-year-old Korean front loader are often fully justified on a 15-year-old Miele. The Miele costs more than the Speed Queen. There is no debate on that. But it is the machine for someone who runs smaller loads, washes delicate fabrics, and wants front-load efficiency without the cast aluminum spider arm that is quietly dissolving inside every budget Korean competitor right now. Buy it, maintain it. It will outlast 2 replacement cycles of everything else on the market. Number 3, the budget survivor base model Whirlpool top loader. Not everyone has $900 for a Speed Queen. If that is your situation, here is the strategy repair technicians have been recommending for decades. Walk into any appliance store, find the plainest, most boring top-load Whirlpool on the floor. No steam, no Wi-Fi, no touchscreen, no sensor wash system. You are looking for one specific thing, a mechanical transmission and a physical dial control panel. Here is why that matters. When a logic board fails on a digitally controlled machine, you are waiting weeks for a proprietary circuit board shipped from an overseas factory at $200 to $400. When something fails on a machine with mechanical controls, A technician orders a $20 to $40 part and fixes it in an afternoon. Whirlpool washers average between 14 and 16 years of lifespan, significantly above the industry average, a direct result of more robust construction compared to Korean competitors. Repair technicians consistently recommend older-style Whirlpool top loaders with mechanical transmissions as some of the most serviceable washing machines ever produced, machines that can be kept running for decades with basic parts and basic labor. The rule is simple. If the control panel has a touchscreen, walk away. If it has physical knobs and a simple cycle selector, you are looking at a machine a repair technician can actually keep alive. Buy the dumbest Whirlpool they will sell you. That is the entire strategy. Here is the math the appliance industry does not want you to run. A $900 Speed Queen that lasts 25 years costs you $36 per year. A $750 machine that dies in 5 years and you replace it twice costs you over $300 per year. And that number does not include the repair bills, the service calls, or the Saturdays lost sitting in a laundromat because your smart washer threw an error code at 11 p.m. on a Sunday. The industry wants you to treat a washing machine like a smartphone. Upgrade every few years. Stay inside their replacement cycle. Stay dependent on their supply chain. The Speed Queen does not have a Wi-Fi module because it does not need one. It has needed water, detergent, and electricity since 1908. It will need those same 3 things in 2045 when your neighbor is replacing his connected smart washer for the 4th time. Stop buying the steam cycle. Stop buying the touchscreen. Stop buying the machine with 17 sensor modes and a 2-year lifespan. Buy the steel. Buy the transmission. Buy the machine built to be repaired, not replaced.